Hi, this is the Avionaut IQ Orbit base. This is the new base from Avionaut that replaces the IQ 2.0 base, and the difference is that this one has a swivel feature. The IQ Orbit base is compatible with 3 of Avionaut's car seats. It can be used with the Cosmo infant carrier, the Pixel Pro infant carrier, and then for older children up to 105 centimeters, you can use the ISOfix rear-facing seat on the Orbit base. When you install the Orbit base in the car, the first thing to do is make sure the leg is folded out. So you just pull it away from the base and click it into place here. Position the base in the car, and then you need to extend the ISOfix arms. And you do that by pinching this button here. You put your finger on the red one and your thumb on the black at the back, squeeze it together and slide out the yellow ISOfix arm. And the same thing on the other side. You then line them up with the ISOfix points in the car and click them into place until the indicators on the side here go green. And you now need to close the gap here between the base and the backrest of the vehicle seat. And you do that simply by pushing the base back into the car until it won't go any further. And then to get it properly tight, you just give it a pull one way and a push the other. Click it backwards and forwards a couple of times until it's as tight as it will go. The next step is to extend the leg down to the floor. On this one, the button is on the back. Make sure the leg is angled out here as far as it can go. So if it's dangling like this, then it's not closed properly. Pull it all the way out. Then you press this little button here on the back. The leg will come down to the floor. Hold the leg and push it down. And then with your other hand, pull it up slightly. So you're effectively pulling the two parts of the leg apart until that button clicks back into place. To swivel the car seat on this base, you do that with the seat installed, but the base has got 2 levers. So which one you use depends on which side of the car this base is installed on. So on this side, I'll just be using this. You push that lever and then the whole base with the seat on it swivels round. And it actually has a thing built in that stops it from accidentally facing forward. It will only go as far as this. This is the Pixel Pro infant carrier, and to install this car seat on the Orbit base, you need to line up this metal claw with the little metal bars down here, and on the back of the car seat, there are 2 holes in the bottom that line up with the notches on the base. You simply hold the seat above the base, line up those holes at the back, and click it down. The Pixel Pro has a side impact protection block that attaches to the side of the car seat. There is a hole in the back of the block and a knob here on the side that has to go into that hole. You line it up and push it down. The Orbit's built-in swivel feature is activated by putting your thumb on this lever, and then with one hand you can turn the base with the seat on it. The Orbit base has a built-in safety feature that stops you from accidentally turning the seat forward facing, so you can only go as far as this. It stops here. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.